So after tuning the turbo and injection system, I find that I'm losing power under full boost, and it kind of stutters. I've discovered that that could probably be the pre-filter inside the fuel tank. So on the right side is the sending unit, on the left side is kind of a round door underneath this panel where you can access the pre-filter inside the tank, and it's probably been in there for 20 years untouched. So I'm going to pull that out and I'm going to clean it, because here in the Philippines I can't find the filter and I don't want to pay $50 for shipping from Europe. So I'm going to take this one out and see if it can be cleaned and reinstalled without crumbling into dust. So let's find out. On a side note, I've already done this rear panel here with Samurai 2K bed liner, and eventually I'm going to wire brush this insulation stuff off of here, and then do all the way up to just where that painted line is. So all this will also be covered in the Y2K bed liner. Get your 12mm socket. Had this off recently to change the fuel sender. So, oh, okay. Had that reversed. So the left side is the fuel sender. This one's been replaced, I don't know, a couple months ago. So on the right here, this door is the one I need to open up to get to that fuel pre-filter. Here's what we get after some wire brush and WD-40. Gonna go ahead and pull these hoses off. I just noticed this one here doesn't even have a clamp on it. Well, it does have a clamp, but it's slid down to here, so looks like somebody didn't put it back on. I've tried to run the fuel tank as low as possible without getting stranded. Good news is that's hand loose. Probably won't break anything. So as I doubt this has been off in 20 years, I'm just going to try to be careful not to, I can feel rubber seal underneath, and try not to tear it. Feels okay still. Yeah, just be careful not to tear that rubber seal. This one came off pretty easy. That does not look like the reason for acceleration hesitation problems. That looks perfectly fine. Crap. I was hoping this would be covered in sludge. So it looks like I need to study up on fuel delivery issues. Either the fuel pump or supplementary fuel pumps, I don't know. But clearly I've got to get more fuel to my injectors. Yeah, as difficult as it is to find this part, I was really hoping that would be the problem. It's clearly not. Holding this up to the sunlight, I can see through it very clearly. There's nothing inside either. Anyway, I was planning on showing unclipping this, cleaning the filter, clipping it back on, draining the fuel tank, just to show how that's done real quick. The drain plug is right here. I think that's probably a 12mm. So you just open that up and then drain the fuel out, and then I was going to run fuel through the hole at the top of the tank to just kind of flush out all the dirt inside. But it doesn't seem like this tank really has much dirt, which is kind of surprising after 20 years. But who knows, maybe somebody already cleaned it. So anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share if it's helped you at all. And check out my other videos. Cheers.